Pacific Floorcare, the home of purpose-built floor maintenance equipment for cleaning professionals, would like to introduce their new fleet of S-Series mid-size auto scrubbers. This new battery-powered lineup are meant to be workhorses, as they have a large 22-gallon solution tank and massive battery packs in conjunction with 24, 28, and 32-inch cleaning path widths. The new S-Series scrubbers all meet Made in USA standards and exemplify value by unifying top specifications with affordability. Not only do these products boast unmatched cleaning specifications, but they also include industry-first technologies that address lowering the cost of ownership, increasing health and safety, and improving quality assurance in the cleaning process. All things cleaning professionals told us they needed. The rugged line consists of 24, 28, and 32-inch disc units for daily cleaning or project work, and a 28-inch orbital unit that has dual-function daily cleaning and one-pass chemical-free finish removal capabilities. In the next few minutes, you'll see the S-Series line of mid-size scrubbers are purpose-built to meet your floor cleaning and maintenance needs, and how the exclusive technologies will help improve your cleaning operations. True to their promise, Pacific Floorcare continues to focus on setting the bar for value. Here are just a few reasons why. The new mid-size scrubbers possess the cleaning power needed in even the toughest applications. Here's why. These units combine brush motor horsepower up to double that of the competition and disc RPM approaching 70% higher than competition with top-of-class down pressures to boast the industry-best cleaning specifications. Basically, if ours can't do it, then no one's mid-size scrubber can. Battery Shield protects wet batteries from low water damage, saving thousands of dollars versus unprotected batteries. This technology is an industry first. It automatically detects when batteries need to be watered, signals the operator, and shuts down the scrubber's cleaning functions until they are watered. The mid-size S-Series scrubbers are ready to create and keep healthy, safe environments. With two industry-first features on walk-behind scrubbers, combined with top-of-class water recovery and low sound levels normally not found in this class scrubber, these machines ensure you are moving from just cleaning to creating healthy environments. Design and simplicity drives labor efficiency to new levels. Large tanks and massive batteries, combined with time-saving features, can make your operator's life easier and more productive. Whether it is being able to operate the unit in 3 simple steps, being able to fill the machine without oversight, or clean into corners with the orbital unit, you'll get the most out of your labor and investment with the new S-Series scrubbers. The new S-Series scrubbers are built tough. The machine's design, components, and materials combine to create a machine that lasts. Pacific Floorcare rigorously tested, both in the lab and in the field, key components and mechanisms prior to launch. In addition, the Pacific Floorcare orbital scrubbers are the only ones in the industry to have an isolator warranty. Competitors call these wear items. Enhanced features make these new scrubbers perfect for today's cleaning teams. Peak performance results when technology meets convenience. With the new S-Series, you can enjoy convenience and quality assurance all in one. For example, the onboard chemical injection system combines with speed-sensitive flow control to ensure the same amount of cleaning solution is used everywhere, producing the same brilliance across your facility. Additionally, the cleanable tanks, onboard charger, one-hand controls, and top-of-class recovery and turns make it convenient, simple, and safe. Lastly, Pacific Floorcare's new S-Series proudly meets Made in the USA standards. Local sourcing also greatly aids in Pacific Floorcare's quick delivery of this great new family of products. High value, words that are tossed around a lot but not always proven. Pacific Floorcare puts definition to them with their new S-Series scrubbers by delivering these features at prices below the market average price. Put the new S-Series scrubbers to the test and see for yourself that affordability can come in a premium package.